Today I will teach you how to connect MacBook to HP printer, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, connecting your MacBook to your HP printer is generally a straightforward process, and that can be done wirelessly via Wi-Fi or via USB. Now, the wireless method is the most popular as it allows you to print from anywhere in your home or office. Now, to start with the wireless version, what we're going to do is you're going to prepare your printer to make sure your HP printer is plugged into a power source and it turns on. You need to ensure there's paper and ink cartridges installed and the printer is placed within a range of your Wi-Fi router. Now, the second step would be to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. The HP printer comes with a touch screen navigation that allows you to navigate to the wireless menu, and then you're going to go to network settings and you select the wireless setup wizard and you follow the on-screen instructions to select your Wi-Fi network, and then you enter your password. Now that takes us to the next step, which involves accessing your settings on the Mac computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side of your screen and you're going to click on the Apple button, and from there it's going to open up a dialog box and you're going to click on System Settings, and from System Settings on the left side of the dialog box you're going to choose Printers and Scanners. Now once you click here, it's going to open up a list of printers, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to click on this plus sign here and it's going to allow you to add a printer, and this is what the dialog box should look like. You're going to look for your HP printer. Now the connection type should usually be Bonjour, and once you click on add you should be able to add your HP printer. If you'd prefer to connect via USB, you're going to need to ensure that you get a cord that has an outlet for your printer, and it could be the Thunderbolt, it could be a USB for the printer side, and this USB-C is for the MacBook because most of the MacBooks that are available now have the USB ports. With the USB cord, once you connect the laptop to the printer, it should go directly to the system settings, and you can see it here. You don't need to click on the plus sign. If you don't see it, you might need to reconnect your connection again, your wire connection again, to ensure that it's visible. Now lastly, what you can also do is you can download the HP Smart app. HP provides a dedicated app that can help with setup, scanning and checking ink levels, and to do that you're going to download the app. You're going to go to the App Store on your Mac and search for HP Smart, and then you're going to download it. Now after that you're going to follow the guidelines and then set it up on your computer, and through connecting it to your Wi-Fi on your Mac you should see your printer available on it. Now that's how to connect your MacBook to your HP printer, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to our channel at Kraus Media. And until the next one, see ya.